what the hell?
The positioning properties are what we use to position elements alongside the directional offset properties that push or pull elements relative to the defined direction, including diagonals. Use intset to define all of them, and translate property to move relative to the element's own size or center them, like this. The static positioning is the default position. That means offset and c-index properties are disabled and the page flows with normal document flow. The relative positioning is the basic positioning that activates offset properties yet keeps element flowing normally. The absolute positioning lets elements flow freely inside the viewport or the closest positioned ancestor. It removes elements from the structure and is useful for tooltips or other manual relative positioning. The fixed positioning removes elements from the structure and glues them to the viewport, ignoring other elements, like eye floaters, most useful for floating navbars and widgets that are always on display. The sticky positioning flows until the defined stick point is reached, like section portions that are on display when scrolling within it. Most definitely the ugly duckling of the bunch, getting little use, but they just don't know when it's useful.